If this video found you, trust that there's a reason, okay? Trust that Spirit brought this to you for a reason. There's something that you need to know. You've been wanting clarity. And Spirit said, you're ready. We didn't tell you before because you weren't ready to actually hear it. You weren't ready to absorb it. But now you're at a point where the message found you because you're actually ready to hear it. So this is the message, okay? Now I want you to just take a deep breath in and deep breath out. You just take with you what resonates and leave what doesn't, because this is a collective reading. So there might not be, every part of it that you're supposed to, follow through with, but maybe all of it does follow through for you. We will see. That's why you're supposed to use your own discernment and your own intuition at the end of the day, okay? These cards, I tell you, have a mind of their own sometime. Just take a deep breath. Deep breath. Some of you are nervous, and I'm channeling from the highest frequency of love and light, so we're only going to hear what we need to hear to help us, and it's not going to be negative. It's going to help you, okay? So to calm down a little bit, I'm seeing the Page of Swords. Page of Swords. What does this mean? What is Spirit trying to say with this card? I feel like there is an idea. An idea you've either already received or that's going to be coming to you. And for some of you guys, it's going to be like an epiphany. It's going to come to you like out of the blue. But for some of you, this will be brought to you by someone else. Someone else will say something, and I'm seeing that some of you guys are not going to jump on it right away. This idea is coming to you, but a lot of you guys are going to sit on it for a minute because you're not sure if it's something that you should do. And there's a point to this, okay? There's a point to this. Let's see what Spirit has to say about this idea. This thought, this suggestion, the Queen of Swords, another sword card. I feel like you're going to sit on this for a minute. This idea is going to be brought to you, but you're going to sit on this. You're not going to necessarily act on it. But you're going to think about it for a while. You're going to think about it, and you're going to play it out in your head, and it's going to begin to grow on you, okay? But it's okay because you're not meant to take action on it yet, okay? You're meant to ponder it. Spirit gives you just the right bit of information at just the right time that you need it, because they know when the perfect time is for everything to play out. So they know how long it will take for an idea to grow on you. So don't feel impatient. Let it sit, let it settle. I'm seeing the Page of Wands though. So we went from swords to wands. Wands are about action. And with the Page of Wands, I feel like eventually we're going to be like, I want to do this. This idea is finally going to hit you. You're going to have been thinking about it, and you're going to be like, you know what? That's a good idea. I want to do that. And you're not going to need any convincing. You're going to just do it, like out of the blue. Okay? This could be past energy. Like maybe all that's happened already and we're at this point now. Okay? Or this could just be coming. It's a collective reading, so it's going to be different for all of you. But yeah, I'm seeing like we are so excited. This energy that right here, this is action. Okay? This is excitement. This is nothing can stop me. This is I'm hitting the ground with my feet running. And I'm seeing that, it's timing. This is the perfect timing. And that's why you have such passion and energy to get this done, because Spirit's saying it is the perfect timing. And that's how you know that you're on the right path, because you're not hesitant anymore. Then we have the Seven of Cups. Okay, so I'm actually being told that this one thing that started off as just an idea is going to branch off into several opportunities. So this is not something that's just, this idea is just one thing that is really successful and wonderful. This is going to branch off and lead to several things. And that's actually why it's being brought into your life. It's not necessarily that you're supposed to do this one thing, but Spirit is making you excited about doing this one thing, because you have to get this one thing done in order to get to the second stage of the plan, right? Spirit always has a plan for us in order to have you meet the right people at the right timing and make the right connections so that you can get to here. Okay? Getting to here right now it's too big of a vibrational jump from where you're at. So Spirit has to use this middleman, this idea that was given to you to get you here. Okay? So never ever, have you heard the saying like, I make plans for myself and then the universe laughs? Yeah, because the universe, they're always 10 steps ahead. Okay? They're the mastermind. Your spirit guides are the mastermind of your life, and they know everything that you're wanting because they don't hear what you're saying. They hear your vibration. Your vibrational essence, your spirit guides can read that. They know what you're truly wanting. They know what you mean when you say, I want that. They know the true reason, the vibrational reason of why you're wanting that. And they know you might think this is what I want to make me happy. But Spirit says, actually, we know the true essence of your being, and we know what's a better vibrational match to actually get you what you're truly wanting. And here's the path to get there. But we got to go here because this person's over here that you need to meet. And then this person will lead to this person, which will lead to this idea, which will lead to this. Like, it's all a winding path that you have to follow. Okay? The hangman. The hangman. What's that saying? I really feel like after you get, really excited and you start doing all these things to make this happen, there might be a little holdup in the energy. Now, I'm not saying that something's going to happen to where it's going to kill the idea. I'm not saying that. I feel like something's going to happen to where you're not going to be able to just do it all like in one day. There's going to be something happen where you do just enough to get the ball rolling and then back off. And it's not the universe saying this is not the path to go down. That's not what they're saying. They're not saying that this is a roadblock. They're saying this is a yellow light. Because we have to, I want to say proceed with caution, but it's almost like there has to be this little lull in the energy because you're not supposed to do it quite yet. You just had to do this beginning part of it to get the ball rolling. But they'll let you know when the time's right to continue on. But I feel like once you get the ball rolling, sit back and wait. Don't do too much. Don't do too much all at once. Just get the ball rolling and then sit back and wait for guidance. Wait for that intense passion to act like you felt, over here. And then when you feel that intense passion, like, oh, time to do stage 2, then act on it. But right now, you did everything you're supposed to do. It might not feel like a lot. Maybe it was just the beginning stages, but that's okay. It's about timing. So pull back a little bit, relax. Spirit will bring you the feeling, because it's going to come as a feeling, of when you need to do the second thing, and then it will fall together easily. That's how you'll know the timing's right. You'll feel like there's nothing that can stop me, and it'll fall into place easily. Okay? That's what Spirit wants you to know. Let me know in the comments.